Welcome to the quick start guide for assembling your Ranger electric bike. Let's dive right in. First, unbox your Ranger e-bike, carefully removing each component. Next, align the front tire, ensuring a snug fit. Then, secure the handlebar firmly in place, providing stability for your travels. Attach the front light for added safety, and don't forget to slide in the battery for an electrifying ride. Now that your Ranger is assembled, let's explore what makes it truly exceptional. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling rugged trails, the Ranger offers unmatched versatility and comfort every time. Its powerful motor effortlessly propels you to a top speed of 28 miles per hour and covers 30 to 45 miles on a single charge. Experience the thrill of exploration like never before with a Ranger electric bike from Velowave. Visit velowavebikes.com to embark on your next adventure today.